Study on the strength of concrete by partial replacement of GGBS. Practice. Concrete is most widely used building material nowadays. Its properties greatly depend on the proportions and properties of its constituent. Concrete is used in various types of construction from flooring to hut to multi-story high-rise structures. It is one of the versatile heterogeneous materials of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. The focus of a project is to determine the compressive strength and split tensile strength of concrete mix with partial replacement of cement with 30, 35, 40, 45 of GGBS along with crushed sand. It is nothing but its ground granulated blast furnace slags, a byproduct of iron and steel, which is used as a substitute for cement. The objective is to conduct property tests on coarse aggregate and fine aggregate, to carry out the compressive and split tensile strength tests on properties of various mixed proportions of the concrete, and to compare the results of different mixed proportions carried out. The scope of a study has been made on the durability parameters and also advantages of high volume mix of GGBS and effect on the concrete. As a whole, 5 mixes have been made, one of PPC 100% of cement and other 4 of GGBS 30, 35, 40, 45. Methodology is first objective, literature review, property testing, determination of grade, we determined of grade for M40 and proportions of mixers of 100% PPC, 30, 35, 40, 45% of GGBS, underwent property testing. Conclusion. Literature reviews. The first paper was Alvin Harrison. He observed that the addition of fly ash in PPC concrete has a slow hydration taking place, and that phenomenon decreases the strength of concrete mix at early age. And up to 30% of fly ash has remarkable increase in strength comparing to controlled concrete, whereas one for the addition of fly ash strength gets reduced. Haribalgan case of 2014 had an investigation in the replacement of GGBS on ordinary concrete cement of 20, 30, 40 of GGBS proportion with mixes of M35 at 7 and 28 days. He came to conclusion that strength increases for 20% replacement, and also they proved that GGBS can be used as alternative material for cement cost effective as its industry. Pratap KV have observed the triple blending of ordinary Portland cement concrete with fly ash and ground granulated blast furnace slag. The tests were carried out and improved the addition of fly ash and GGB as a partial replacement to cement. The compressive strength and flexural strength of concrete was increased by 11.13% and 11.74%. Rajikesh have concluded the replacement of fine aggregate by crushed dust up to 50% by weight has a negligible effect on the reduction of any physical and mechanical properties. He also concluded that 56% of money if sand is replaced by crushed dust can be saved. Yogendra O. Patel have focused on partial replacement of GGBS at bearing of the 0 to 40% to the weight of OPZ of M20 grade for 728 and 90 days. The test for this project is first material testing. This undergoes a sampling, sieve analysis, specific gravity, water absorption, and the strength testing, compressive material testing. Sieve analysis is the foremost test. It is a practice procedure to assess the particle size distribution. It is done for decade. And according to table IS 380 1970, table 2 satisfies sieve size, and according to IS 383 1970 table 2, it also satisfies 12.5. The finest modulus of crushed stone sand is 3.28, and it falls in the satisfies zone 1. It's all in aggregate. 100% of coarse and fine aggregate, it further divided to coarse 60% and fine aggregate 40%. The coarse aggregate further divided to 20% of 60% of 20 aggregate and 40% of 12.5 mm aggregate. As a whole, it satisfies all in aggregate according to IS 383 1970. For mix design for the project, the concrete mix we taken 500 kg cementitious content. The cementitious content of 500 kg was got from M40 design, and this is cement water admixture. We also got weighted average specific gravity for 20 mm, 12.5 mm crushed sand, total and volume of aggregate as 1867. The aggregates are divided as 20 mm, 12.5 mm and crushed sand. Its multiplied water absorption is added to free water. So for 20 mm it's 2.35, for 12.5 mm 2.24, for crushed sand 18.68. Total water absorption is 23.27, total water 208, and cube size is 15 cross 15 cross 15 centimeter. The number of cubes is 12, so the volume is 0.040 meter. This is the final mix for ingredient 1, that is for 100% of PPC. This goes mix 1, mix 2, mix 3, mix 4, mix 5 based upon the proportions of 30, 35, 40, 45. The test conducted was compressive strength test, which is specimen used is 15 cross 15 cross 15 centimeter. Tensile strength is an indirect test used to determine the tensile strength of concrete. The specimen used a cylinder of 150 mm in diameter mm long. These are the photos taken during experiments. Cube testing, split results, strength test. These are the values obtained for 3 days, 7 days, 28 days and 56 days testing. This graph clearly shows that at 35% it gives the optimum strength for 3, 7, 28 and 56. Strength. The testing dates were 7 and 14 and the mean value found was 3.03 mm square, 3.74 mm square, and for 35% optimum value 7 for 7 days 2.8 mm square, and for 14 days. The test was conducted for 35% of optimum range and it shows the values for 7, 14 and 28 days. The compressive strength of control concrete at 20 days is reached the value of 55.5 mm square, and 56 it was 60.44. The 3 days testing results for proportion of 0, 30, 35, 40, 45 percentage GGBS. The maximum values was at 35% is 22.2 mm square. The 7 days test, 28 days testing, 56 days testing, and split tensile strength for control concrete 0% GGBS was attained, maximum value of 5.10 mm square at 28 days. A split tensile strength was conducted for optimum range of 35 was 5.04 Newton per mm